Just got my brand new GIO 52cc chainsaw. It was delivered. It took about 8 days to deliver. Here it is here. It's not even assembled yet. Got a little toolkit. Not much in there. Little wrenches and stuff. A file, a screwdriver, 2 Allen keys, and a plug wrench. And then a little mixing jug. Get the ratio right. And it came with a bar chain protector and the bar. Not a bad saw. I haven't tried to run it yet. I'll assemble it up and try it out. I'm sure it'll run pretty good. Decent looking. I wouldn't go as far to say that it's well made. The parts like the throttle or the choke are acceptable, but they don't really have a sense of solidness that you'd expect from the better quality name brand saws like Husqvarna or Stihl. But they're there. So not very heavy. I'm sure it'll be a little heavier once there's some gas and oil in it. And looks like it doesn't have the anti-vibration features that a better quality saw would have on the handle. Just bolted straight to the chassis. There might be an anti-vibration. No, there's nothing for anti-vibration at all on the top handle. I can imagine it's the same for the handle with the throttle as well. But that's it for now. Just a quick overview. Hopefully I'll get it together and maybe take another video tonight.